Okay, here we go. Somewhat similar to that, and then no, the same with the foreground. Getting the foreground correct is not easy. The correct colour I'm talking about. It's a very light warm colour, but it's not exactly raw sienna. It's this kind of a colour. It's very light, like that. And just a faint hills in the background. sometimes the trees, when he does the trees, they have a warmth in them. I know burnt sienna. I'm just trying to get the colours right. If you get the colours right, I think you cracked it really. It's so difficult to get the colours correct. It's this less is more, you know, which means, which is everything if you can get it right. Yeah, less is more. I haven't got an amount really for that. No, it's not quite right that for Mr. Wesson. So I'll do another one and see if I can get it right. It's not right Mr. Wesson would do one like that. I'm very critical of what whether you get it right or not, and I don't get it right. That's it. For a start, it's not quite light enough, the foreground, and the darks are not dark enough. So what can I say? The tree's not too bad. I've got the colour of the greens in it, light green. Of course, you would probably use a dark green. Now with the dark green, you'd probably use a black, put a black in the yellow, or Payne's grey in the yellow to get it so dark. Anyway, guys and gals, I hope you like this one, as I just give you an idea of starting one and doing the lesson, how to get the main start into it, which is you have the light foreground. It's like a creamy colour, can you notice? Now that's a little bit on the browny side. It's too brown. It should be more creamy. The sky you don't need to worry about that, you can put anything on. He's not too keen, the sky are okay. Now it's obvious with the tree, the shape's not too bad, but it's definitely not the right colour for a Western colour. It should be a darker colour. So if you're copying this, which I hope you do, just make that tree darker, because I'm going to do another one. I'm this kind of a person. I have to keep trying until I get it something like, and I can't say it's right if it's not right. And I'm my own worst critic, because I hate work I do what's not quite right. And this is not right. So I'm not going to say, I can say after Wesson, in a way a Wesson, but no way is it like a Wesson. It should be lighter, yes, the background is okay light enough, the foreground is not light enough, and the tree is not dark enough. The shape, the green, the light green in the tree, the large tree, is so difficult. Try and get that light green with lemon. Some lemon yellow and some, a little bit of cobalt. And put that in first. Put a bit of lemon yellow and cobalt into your tree. And then follow over the top of that with some darker colour, make it darker. And I've used umber, where you probably use if you used a little bit of Payne's grey, it would look greeny cast, because the yellow would take out that blue what's in your grey and make it into a darker yellow. So try For my next one, I'll do that way. I'll use a darker Payne's grey with a yellow. Now the yellow, you still have to use lemon. It's no use using a warm yellow or a cad yellow or Windsor yellow, anything like that. It just doesn't work. Now in your browns, yes, you have that little bit of red, but you've got that red in your browns anyway, haven't you? You know, because your burnt umber's got red. It's red, isn't it? It's ready cast. Like that bottom half there, looking at it, you can see there's like a ready cast with it. Some of Weston's really have a red across the front. And one or two of his books, what he did, the one with the small, well, it's a tiny little cottage in the Isle of, it's not the Isle of Bute, it's the Isle of Harrow, somewhere like that, and this little cottage on the shoreline, and it's really red. Have a look at that one. Have a look at it and try and get that red. Don't, and then copy me. Keep copying me until you can get it, and listen to what I'm saying, because I'm only learning myself and telling myself what I've gone wrong. Now I'll tell you step by step. That now with a lot of dark onto the tree on the right, onto the darker part. Sometimes the dark is under the leaves, under the clumps. Not on the top of the clumps is light. It's under the clumps, but when you do the clumps on your trees, the darks are under the clumps. Just look at Constable's, he's done the one with the great big tree. How dark, it's almost black. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm wandering on now, so carry on. Take care. Love you all, but I'll do another one in a minute. I wish I could get it right for you, because I'm striving to get it so you can get it right.